So, what is 3D printing? 3D printing is the process of taking a 3D model and turning it into a 3D object in the real world using a 3D printer. The type of 3D printer you're going to be learning about today is what is known as a FDM 3D printer. Those types of printers use spools of plastic, like this, to 3D print objects in layers, like this little ping pong ball launcher. However, if you're new to this system of 3D printing and figuring out how it works, you could run into issues and fails, and even seasoned printers have issues like this, and it could result in a fail that isn't very pretty. So, if you don't want this to happen, follow every step in this video series and we will figure out and learn together how these printers can work in your favor. So, first we're going to talk about how FDM 3D printers work, what types of filaments there are and their uses. Then we're going to go to the software side of things and talk about printable file types, the slicing software we use. And then afterwards, we're going to talk about how to actually set up your print so you can get a successful one, like the positioning of the print, support material, layer height, bed adhesion, the infill, and wall thicknesses. Last, we're going to talk about tolerances and hardware issues. And then finally, we will end with the slicing software itself. And then after that, you can sign up for the in-person workshop. And after you sign up for that, you'll be able to be certified in person.